Imagine building an immersive learning experience without the long hours of coding, the complex build pipelines, or the headache of making it run across every device. This is EducationXR, a Unity developer platform built for accelerating the creation of interactive learning experiences without sacrificing depth, control, or scale. Whether you're designing a computer-based radiology tutorial, a VR assembly line for a circuit board, or an AR phone-friendly simulation for electrical equipment, EducationXR makes it possible. It all starts with ease. Choose your favorite environment from a library of templates, click to import, and we're ready with a pre-built environment. Select any custom 3D models, drop them into your environment, and start building. Using EducationXR's drag-and-drop tools, you can make anything interactable, trigger actions, animations, link it to objectives or quizzes, and see it come alive instantly. Want to add highlights that pop up when users hover over an object? Done. Need a way to create AR experiences and see them in the real world? Just drag, drop, and click. No code required. When you're ready for more, Flow is there for you. EducationXR's built-in visual scripting system gives you the logic power of traditional development, but reimagined for anyone. Rather than writing traditional code, you'll work with logic blocks, clear visual elements that represent events, conditions, and actions. Use nodes to define complex interactivity that matches your custom development needs. With visual scripting, you can build complex behaviors, training logic, and branching scenarios, all with no coding required. It's intuitive enough for non-developers, yet powerful enough to drive real simulations and responsive learning flows. The editor is intuitive for anyone. What you see is what you get. So if it works in preview, it works everywhere. And when you're ready to share your creation with the world, just press one button. EducationXR instantly packages and publishes your project to all major platforms: phones, tablets, desktops, and VR headsets. No need to manage multiple builds, no configuration headaches, and no all-nighters installing your content in different headsets. Just one click, and your content is everywhere your learners are. And yes, it's completely spatial. Enable AR mode to drop your training scenario into the real world using pass-through or mobile cameras. Walk around your scene. Interact in real time. Out of the box, EducationXR supports hand tracking, voice commands, and more. Collaboration is built in. Multiplayer works across devices without additional setup. So whether it's one headset in a hospital or 30 students on tablets, everyone shares the same experience. And there's one more thing. Inside every course, simulation, or training module, learners can access an AI assistant, custom built by you. Ask a question, get real answers. You define how it speaks, how it responds, and what data set or curriculum it pulls from. It's the perfect guide. So whether you're learning anatomy or inspecting industrial equipment, from idea to deployment, from solo creation to shared collaboration, EducationXR is your all-in-one platform to build the future of learning. Create once, deploy anywhere, teach everyone. EducationXR.